Have you ever tried to open up an application and then you get an error or a warning that says this application has been blocked for your protection, and the warning is usually in red? So let me try and open up this particular setup. If I try to double click on this setup to install like this, I get this kind of an error, and it's a USC that says this application has been blocked for your protection. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go around it. So I'm going to show you two methods that you can use. So let's first of all open up a CMD. Just click here and type CMD, and then we right click and run as administrator. Then you open up the folder where you have that exe file, or the application that you're trying to open, and then we are going to click on this file once, and then press down and hold shift, then right click your mouse, not left click, just right click, and then you will see this copy as path. Click on it. Then here on your command on your CMD, you can either control V for paste, or you can just right click and then you hit enter. And now you'll see that the application or the installation process of that particular setup is initiated. So I don't want to actually install this. So that's the first method. So that's how you can actually install or open an application that you try to normally open and it gives you this kind of an error. The second method, you can open up, let me just close this. Just click down here and type REGET. I think that's registry edit. Registry editor, and then you click on it, and then you open up, just click on H key local machine to expand, and then go to software and expand it, and then go to Microsoft and expand again, then go to Windows. Let me just go to Windows, I guess just look for Windows. Right here, Windows, and then go to current version, look for current version, and then go to policies, and expand. It's right here, and then lastly go to system. So it's here on the system that you double click. Just double click on it, do not expand, just double click, and then on the right hand side, look for enable LUA, enable LUA, this one here, and then just double click on it. So here we're going to change the value data. You can see it's 1, so just replace it with 0 and you click OK. And you're going to get this kind of a warning, and that's just okay. Just close it and then go ahead and try to, first of all, you need to restart your computer. This can't work if you have not restarted your computer. Just click power and then you click on restart. But as for now, I'm not going to restart. So you do that and then you try to open up the file again. So, and if now you're done, maybe you're installing a file, you are done, you can actually go back to registry, edit, and reverse your settings. So you type in 1 again and click OK. So that's it. That's all. See you in the next tutorial.